Hello, Jammers and YouTubers. Forever AJ444 here, and today I will be telling you how to get 10 diamonds in the diamond shop with no glitches, hacks, or anything like that. So, you go to the diamond shop, of course, and then the first step is you go over to this tree over here on the right, the left, and you click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then, go over here and do it over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you go to the statue, you change real quick, as fast as you can. Oh, and right, you can only do it one time. So, I've already done it. And you do one, you go around once, then you go around twice. And then you do this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you should have 10 diamonds. No glitches, no hacks, nothing. You can do it only once though, so I can't show it because I've already done it once. So I'll show you again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Change animals super quick. And go around while you're changing. 1, 2. And then you should have 10 diamonds. Thank you for watching. Please gift me for mail time. I'll give you one sneak peek. One of them. And that is all. And, okay. I'll do this one. It's a designer skirt. So that's the only sneak peek I'll give you. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and yeah, thank you.